So right now you can see that I have a model right here, and this model has all of the textures and so forth. But sometimes you just want to go ahead and view a plain outline so that you can see how your model looks. In that case, you can use something called the monochrome style. And to do that, you need to go around over here onto view right here, and then go around over here onto let's say, for example, face style, and then choose monochrome right here, just like this. So once you actually go ahead and do that, you can see that you see everything is clean right here, just like this, and you will be able to view the details as you need. And once you're done, you can simply go around back onto view, and then go around over here onto face style, and then go for shaded view as well. If you just want the color, you can go for shaded with textures, as you can see right here, just like this. You can even go around over here, go for hidden lines right here, so that you can actually see some lines that there are out there. You can even go around over here onto only the wireframe mode right here, just like this. And you can even go for photoreal material right here, just like this. You can go ahead and activate it out so that this is what you see right here for more detail. And then you can go around over here onto, let's say, face style right here. We can even go ahead and enable ambient occlusion if you want to as well, so that the shades actually show up. So right now, nothing is being showed up right now because I don't have much details. But let me just go ahead and add this in right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead right here, select out this face, and let's just go around and pull it, and you can see the ambient occlusion over there as well. And apart from that, if I were to go around onto face style, you can even go for X-ray right here, just like this. And this is how you can actually go ahead and switch between different face styles as needed inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.